Howdy folks, and this is your host Satis Guide. In this video I'm going to go ahead and give you a detailed tour of the system. So once you have logged into your account, here's what you'll see. So it's pretty much very simple. The system is it's a responsive system, meaning you can use it on your desktop, laptop, your tablet, and your mobile phone without any issues. So you'll be fine. And once you're logged in, you can actually go ahead and change your language. We have Bengali, Dutch, of course, English, French, German, Greek, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, and Spanish. Okay, you can change your language right here. And when you log in for the first time, of course, this entire system is going to look empty because you haven't added your data all there. But once you start adding data, you're going to see that your dashboard is going to start getting a lot of information right here. But we'll get to that later. Now, first thing you want to do is click on Visitor Analytics. Now, how this system works is it helps you analyze your websites, all the websites that you own, and on top of that, it will help you spy on your competition in every way possible. May it be through social network analysis, website analysis, ranking, or IP, keyword analysis, backlink, malware analysis, AdWords scraper, and much more. We're gonna go through those very quickly in this video. Okay, now to add your website, it's very simple. Go ahead and click on add website, right, and just type in your website, whatever.com, whatever you want to put it in. Go ahead and click on save, and all you do is copy the code, and you are ready. And you go ahead and paste this code in your head of your website. Our tutorials have everything explained, so do not worry about it. Our tutorials cover everything that you need to know about this system. Okay, once you go ahead and copy that up, you can visit Visitor Analytics, or you can click on Details right here. And when you click on it, you're going to see a lot of information. Now, of course, I just added the code this morning, so it doesn't have a lot of information. It just has a couple of information. It will tell me, what kind of visits am I getting, total page view, visitors, how long did the people stay on the website, average visit, bounce rate, traffic source, visitor type, content overview, where they're coming from, which country, browser report, operating system report, and device report. Now, this is your websites that you added into. Now, that's it, okay? Now, let's head over to website analysis. Now, on website analysis, you can actually analyze any website you want. What does that mean? Meaning you want to analyze your competition to see what their ranking is, right? So all you do is get here and go ahead and click on search. Once you go ahead and click on search, give it a couple seconds. It might take a minute or two if it's a lot of information, but what the system is doing right now is basically going through every data possible. So for example, it's going through DMOZ, Google, Alexa, LinkedIn, Reddit, Sing, Bing, Yahoo, Meta, so many things. Okay, once it's done, it will tell you get detailed report, or you can close and you can come back to it if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and click here for detailed report. Now this report has screenshots, it has Moz. So our system is actually connected to the Moz API, and it has their information. It has DMOZ information. Where is the site actually hosted in? It's hosted with Amazon, right? You can find out if their website has any malware, what is their Google index and Yahoo index, social networking information, how is it distributed, Facebook, Stumble Upon, so on and so on, Pinterest, Sing, Google Plus, LinkedIn, Reddit score, and so many other stuff. You can click on keywords as well. You can find out how is their security kind of here as well. You can see the keywords they're ranking for as well right here if you click on it. You can also click on Alexa information. It will tell you, much more detailed by just going through it. You can click on similar web and it will give you, of course, what kind of website it is, what's their rank. A lot of information can be found right here. Okay, and that's just the basic of it. Now there's so much to go over. So for example, let's say you want to analyze social networking information about a website. You click on this, right? You go and click on new analysis. Click on new analysis, you type up the website and click start analysis. Now as you can see, it'll give you all this information. You can download all this information or just download one, it's your choice. Now we have rank and index analysis. Now it includes Alexa ranking, Alexa data, similar web, Moz, search engine index. Domain analysis includes who is search, meaning you want to find out who owns that website, right? Now, if you do it manually, it's going to take you ages. Now, with our system, you click on new search. If you have a list of websites, you can click on choose file and click start search. Basically, it will give you email address of every single one of those people, okay? People, who own those websites. And you can download it by clicking here and clicking on download all. And let's get back here. And that's that. And of course, that was who is search. We got DMOZ search, auction. So for example, you want to find out if there's a website similar to what you're working with. If there's one in auction, you can find out. You can find out a lot of information by clicking on my IP information. So you can click on my IP information and it will tell you, hey, where you located at, everything right here. You can also click on domain IP information. And if you go and enter domain, it will tell you their ISP, IP, country, so on and so on. And on top of that, if we go back, it will also tell you sites on same IP, meaning you want to find, for example, let's say you found, an IP address, so I'm going to go and click on here. You found the IP address of a website and you want to find out what other websites are hosted on that same IP. You click on search and it'll tell you how many sites, right? That's a very cool tool. Now let's head over to link analysis. Now link analysis is going to help you find out, how many external links does a website have, how many internal, how many do follow, how many follow links. All that information can be gathered, so that way you can spy on your competition and find out what is it that's making their SEO better than yours. Okay, now let's head over to link analysis one more time, and you can click on paid status check. If you click on that, what's going to happen is you'll be able to find out, if their website is, how fast is their website, how fast is their name lookup, other people's websites. And we also have keyword analysis, meaning you can click on keyword analyzer. And all you got to do, guys, is paste. Just go ahead and type up the website. And it will tell you everything about that website. So easy, right? And you can also click on keyword position analysis, meaning you can find out, you can put in a domain name, you can put in a keyword, and if that domain ranks for that keyword, it will find out, it will track it. Okay, it will track the keyword for that domain. So you click on this, you type up the website, you click on, where do you, because it depends. So you can click on US, what language, of course, English, and search it. And we also have Google correlated keywords, meaning you can type up buy cars, okay? And let's search one for US. And we want to find correlation with other keywords. Give it a couple seconds. And it will give you what kind of keywords should you be using in order to get to that keyword faster, to win that keyword with your website. We also have a keyword auto suggestion tool. Google used to offer this. They don't offer it anymore, but here you can use it. So the key, let's see, it also uses Amazon as well. So Google, Bing, Yahoo, and let's go ahead and search internet marketing. And you can go and click on start searching and give it a couple seconds. It will find out what, these are the main keywords that's being searched. Isn't that amazing, guys? That's really brilliant. So you know what to focus on. Make sense? And of course, you can click on keyword position tracking, and you can click on keyword tracking settings and set up your system. For example, click on this and set up what keyword, what website, country, and it will automatically track that keyword. So you can basically spy on your competition and compare it with yourself and so on. If you click on backlink, of course, you can find out backlinks from Google. How many backlinks does your website have? For example, if you click on it, go ahead and type up and click on search. It will basically find out how many backlinks that your website does have. And you can also go ahead and click on website ping, and it will find out pings for your site as well, ping it back. And you can click on malware search and click on new scan and type up your website, type up your client's website, so on, and find out. And you can get status from Google, McAfee, AVZ, Norton. That's brilliant, guys, and you don't have to pay a penny for it. And you can click on Google AdWords Scraper. What does this do? It will basically scrape advertisement for you. So I'm going to click on US, English. Where is English? English right here. I'm going to go ahead and type up buy cars in Dallas. And I'm going to go ahead and click on start scraping. It has scraped whatever I need to know right here. You can go ahead and click on close, and that's pretty much about it. And you can also click on utilities. And of course, we have email encoder, decoder, plagiarism checker. If someone is copying you, you can always keep it turned on. Valid email checker, duplicate email filter. So basically, you can verify emails, guys, right here. Okay, you do not need to pay that big amount of fee like Bright Verify. They charge you like $50 to verify 500 emails. Just upload it here and just verify it, right? You can just verify it, right? It will find out if that email even exists or not. So that way you don't get a lot of bounces. Duplicate email encoder, robot code generator. We got all of that, and you can also click on native widgets, and these are basically systems that will allow you to put your widgets on your applications, on your website, so on and so on. And that's pretty much it, guys. Of course, there is more detailed tutorials included once you go ahead and make your purchase. Thank you for checking it out. I hope to see you inside. Thank you.